Shalom, Barak Yahweh, Hashem, Yahweh Shai, Hashem Makakadash. All praises and glories definitely due, especially in the times we're living in. Much honors and respects to the apostles and others, the great millstone, and to all the brothers out there doing this work in sincerity and truth, rightfully dividing the word of truth. I say, Shalom. All right, this lesson will be titled, The Stability of Thy Times. And we'll start here in Isaiah 33 and 6, which is where I get the title from. And it says, wisdom and knowledge shall be the stability of thy times. We're going to go into that word, stability. All right. What times? These times, the times you're living in. You're living in the end times. All right. The end of Esau's rulership, the end of his world. All right. Of his evil, wicked, corrupt system. All right. Of oppression. This is ending. All right. So, wisdom and knowledge shall be the stability of thy times, and strength of salvation. We'll go into that word salvation. All right. And fear of the Lord is his treasure. Fear of the Lord Yahweh is his treasure. All right. And that's who you should fear. Not man. Not the one who can just simply kill the body, but rather fear the Most High and his Son, Yahushai, who can kill both body and soul. All right? As the scriptures tell you. All right. Give me a minute. We're going to go in the blue letter and look some words up here. All right? All right. We're in the blue letter. This is for stability.
Strong's H 530. Emunah. Emunah.
What does it mean? Right? Wisdom and knowledge shall be the stability of thy times. What does stability mean? Firmness. Fidelity. Okay? Which means fealty. All right? Steadfastness. Steadiness. You understand? You got to be grounded and rooted in these scriptures. All right? Let no man take thy crown. All right? All right. Let me give you some precepts to this here of fealty. All right? Give me a minute. All right. This is Revelation 3 and 10. And I'm going to read both. First, I'll start with the NLT. Because you have obeyed my command to preserve, I will protect you from the great time of testing. Which is talking about the MOTB, the Karagma, that digital device that Esau, all right, wants to place in you, all right, and track you, okay? So I will protect you from the great time of testing that will come upon the whole world, see, to test those who belong to this world. You see that? And if you want to be part of the system, you're going to have to take the MOTB, all right, to function in the system, to be able to buy and sell. That's pursuant to Revelation 13, all right, 16 through 18, right? Okay, to receive the mark. All right, let's read 10, the King James Version here. Because thou hast kept the word of my patience, right? Following the scriptures, right? The word, the doctrine, right? Who have believed the report, Isaiah 53 and 1. I will also keep thee from the hour of temptation. See? The Lord will keep you from the hour of temptation. Who's he going to preserve? His elect, which shall come upon the whole world to try them that dwell upon the earth. Now, we're going to go into that word try here in the blue letter. Give me a minute. All right, the word we want to go into is not try, because that means test, but to show you temptation. And again, it's going to show you that it is about a test. So, give me a minute. All right, here we go.
Strong's G 3986. Pyrasmas. Pyrasmas.
And I'll go right to the point here. All right? B, the trial of man's fidelity, right? And we saw that when we looked up the word stability, right? Steadfastness in the faith, right? All that. The trial of man's fidelity, integrity, virtue, and constancy. Scroll down. See what it says here? Adversity. As in the fire of adversity. Jacob's trouble. Affliction, right? Trouble. Jacob's trouble. Sent by the Most High. See? The MOTB, like all other technology that is given unto Esau, is the Lord's technology. All right? So this is the Lord testing, all right, to see who is going to be what? Show fealty, loyalty, be steadfastness in the faith. Let's read it. All right? Sent by the Most High, serving to test to prove one's character, faith, and holiness. See that? Now give me a minute. All right? We hit the root word to try and make trial of tests for the purpose of ascertaining a person's quality, what he or she thinks, and how they will behave themselves under these conditions. To try and test one's faith, virtue, character by enticement to sin. As Esau holds out the carrot, the MOTB, the charagma. All right? You see that? See, of the Most High to inflict evils upon one in order to prove his character and steadfastness in the faith. We'll be right back in part 2. Shalom.